Hi everyone, today let's check out a new feature in Pixelbox designed for game developers. We'll start by selecting a sticker-style female character image that we've prepared beforehand. Then, we create a quick movement action for the character and click Generate. After a short wait, this process might take a little longer since the software generates multiple pixel images with plenty of intricate details. We'll get a pixel art sprite sheet along with an animated GIF of the character's movement. Because the software creates a complete sprite sheet, it can also generate movement GIFs for the character at different speeds based on the same sheet. Of course, we can download all the attached files and even get the original image link. This way, if we want to re-import it into Pixelbox later, we can easily do so by syncing it via the original image link. This feature is super convenient. If you're like me and love pixel art games, I'm sure you'll enjoy using it.